When publishing a blog or any other type of content on the web, it's important to understand how the web works and how people can interact with this content. Let's first look at how a web page works. A server is connected to the web. On that server, there's a web document. You can open that web document using a web browser and see its contents. In this scenario, each new web page is a new web document. Simple, but when there's a lot of pages or you want advanced interactive components like commenting, it gets tricky. Enter the CMS, or Content Management System. A CMS allows you to use templates and a database to populate the pages. That means instead of having a web server with one document for each page, you have a web server with template files and a database, and then the CMS takes the appropriate template files and combine them with the appropriate database content to create the page in the visiting browser. The advantage of the CMS is that the flow of information can also go in the other direction. A user or administrator can enter information on a web page that is sent back to the database. This is how blogs work because blogging applications are simplified content management systems. When you pick what blogging application you want to use, you have two main options: cloud-hosted services or self-hosted applications. Cloud-hosted services are free or for-pay solutions where the server side or back end is handled by a third party and is more or less invisible to you. You send information into the cloud and information comes out of the cloud. Self-hosted applications are applications you place on your own server and manage yourself. There are benefits and drawbacks to both, which we'll touch on later in this course. Web publishing today goes beyond the simple publishing of pages online. It also includes sharing through social media and social networks. Whenever a new post is published on your blog, it can be linked to and republished throughout social networks to bring attention and readers back to the blog. This sharing cycle has become as important, if not even more important, than search engine results because it's powered by people. Once a post is shared on either Twitter or Facebook or Google+ or Pinterest, it's more likely to be shared on one of the other services as well. And the more it's shared on different sites, the more attention it will get. Knowing this, you need to make sure your chosen blogging platform and infrastructure give you the level of control you need, enables sharing across social networks and services, and allows you to customize the metadata that is shared on social networks.